In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to make $5,000 cash using this amazing dynamic risk strategy I'm about to reveal to you now. There's a $50 giveaway at the very end, so now let's get to the video. Right, I got a complete bare naked chart right here. That is gold, XAUUSD, as an abbreviation. The main reason we're going to be analyzing from the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame, is to determine the directional bias of price movement. Then we subsequently dial down to the lower time frames to mark up areas of significance. That is your most recent area of support and your most recent area of resistance. Basically, guys, what we'll be doing right here is to be placing trades on breakout. Whenever price breaks an area of support, then we might be possibly looking for sales. And then if price manages to break up above an area of resistance, we are most likely to take a buy from that trade. And then we manage our trade appropriately and according to what we'll be focusing on at that point. Before we can start off ahead with everything, let me show you basically what the strategy entails. Now, as you can see, we're on a daily time frame. Price is on an uptrend, and the current candle that you see right there is quite bearish. So we move on to the H4 time frame. Sorry, let me remove that. We're on a H4 time frame. We can see that price is kind of like retracing from that upward movement. Price probably wants to grab liquidity to push to the upside. And then we go to the 1 hour time frame. We can see that price did really do what we are expecting. Price made resistance right there, and possibly this is our support right there. And then let's measure our range right here. We have about 89 pips, which is quite good. We move on to the 30-minute time frame. We can see right here that price just formed an area of resistance like that. We are justifying the zones. We are justifying those zones in every time frame. Okay, we have an area of support there, and then we have a minor area of resistance right there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so we look down to the lower 15-minute time frame. So basically, guys, you can see price has rejected this area for so long. You can see this big wicks up here, and then for the previous 15-minute candle, it closed with no wick at the top. So what are we likely looking for? For price to push all the way up. There is a 70 to 80% probability that price will push all the way up. So let's move on to the 30-minute time frame to place our trade. So we're just gonna risk about 1.5%, and then I'm simply gonna manage my trade. We just gonna risk about 20 pips. We're just gonna place our stop loss just below this area of support. So that's beautiful. This is beautiful. So let's wait and see how price rewards us. So now, if price breaks above this area of resistance, about this level right here, then we're gonna consider trailing our stops to maybe this position up here. So that's how we're gonna be managing our risk from that point. Okay, beautiful. Price is making is breaking its own high. Mind you, we are trading into a session that has a lot of volume. That is the London session. It's about to intersect with the New York session. So when those sessions intersect, you can expect a hell lot of volume to be present in that time frame. Beautiful, beautiful. Just like I said, we're just gonna trail our stop losses. We're just gonna trail the stop loss. We're just gonna let me do that. We're just gonna trail our stop. Let's do that. And then we're just gonna visually move the stop just below this candle, this 15-minute candle. And then with the take profit, I would like just to remove it. So let's watch the trade evolve. Let's watch the trade evolve. Let's watch the trade evolve. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So now we have our stop loss already activated. If price takes us out, then we know very well that we're gonna be risking less. Sorry for the language barrier. Yes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So now let's wait for price to break its own high, then we can close the trade with a good amount of profit. Yes. So that's the new 30-minute candle. We're just gonna let it evolve just like that. Just like that. That's the new 30-minute candle. Surely we should be expecting it to break the high of the previous candle. So we're just gonna practice patience at this moment right here. Patience will pay your bills. That's Max Cutler. Max Cutler said it first. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? So now let's move on to the 15-minute time frame and see what price is actually printing. Okay, so that's about it. That's about it. Beautiful. Beautiful. From this point on, we're just gonna move on to a trade and then see exactly how many pips we had. 17 pips. We're just gonna close this trade. We up 4% right here already. We up 4%. So now let's just wait for price to evolve. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame, and then you can see right there's a beautiful market structure forming from that point on. We have an area of support. We're likely going to form an area of resistance right there. We can see that price is failing to break that area. I'm gonna draw up some diagrams. We've had a bullish candle, and a candle that closed with a very small body. A small body formed going bullish right there. So we are expecting this candle right here just to respect this area of resistance right there to be able to push price to the downside. So we're just gonna wait right now. We just gonna wait and see what price does. Beautiful, beautiful. If the new candle forms, instantly we just gonna take a sell. Beautiful, beautiful. Price just respected that level right there. So if it closes below, then we can expect the next candle to kind of retest this low right here, and possibly move to the downside and fill this area of support right here. So that is what we kind of waiting for. That is what we are waiting for at this point in time. That is what we are waiting for. Basically, that's it, guys. We risk 1 to 2%. 1 to 2% per trade. Then if you're looking to compound your account, you can start looking on to leveraging your profits. That's how you grow your account. Just quickly head on to my YouTube channel. Go to my library, search for how to manage risk. You're gonna find some delicious content right there, specifically made for you pertaining risk management. If you wanna learn more and find more content on risk management, just go and search for risk management. You'll find a video there readily made for you. Right. Beautiful. 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 So we're expecting this candle to close below this level of resistance right there. Then if it closes above, then we're gonna be looking for another candle to form, break its own the previous candle's high. Then we can take a buy. But for now on, I think we got a solid session for sales. So I'm just gonna be looking for this candle to respect this level of resistance to continue pushing price down. Woo! Yes, from this point on, we can see this candle right here just moved swiftly. So what we just gonna do is to capitalize off that movement. I think we're just gonna test this level that, like, we already anticipated it to come about. So we're just gonna place a sell. We're just gonna place our stop losses, take profit about this level, and then and then we're just gonna place our stop loss right above that level of support. Okay, so maybe we take out our take profit level. Price can reward us anyhow, so let's let it play. Woo! Look at that, already in profit, guys. Already in profit. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see how it goes, man. Let's see how it goes. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, already, man. We've reached that level of support already. Oh my God. Oh, so now we're gonna be smart now. We're gonna be smart and manage our trade. We move our stop loss into profits now. So we're in a risk-free trade. So let's let it evolve. Let's let it evolve. Let's let it evolve and see what we go. Oh, ooh. Is this a news candle? No, we have KD news, which is medium. Ooh, this is so unprecedented. So let's secure 1%. I think it's fair for us to secure wait, let me just manage my stop loss, move it into slight profits right there, and then let's let the trade evolve. Oh my god, this is moving, this is crazy. Woo, my god, from this point on, man, we up about 81 pips at this moment. 81 pips in this moment. So right now, I'm just gonna close pot. I'm just gonna close 70% of this trade right here. 70%, we in. Beautiful, beautiful. My god. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We just secured our profits right now. It's like we took about 80 pips from this trade right here. Ooh. If it takes us out, we're still in profits, guys. There's nothing to sweat about. We're still in profits. Ooh, that's a big rejection right there. Maybe price is grabbing liquidity to push all the way up. We'll likely want to see support and then price break this support and then continue moving upwards. Wow, this is a huge move, a big candle. Woo, man, I think we're just gonna call it a trade. Ooh, look at that. Man, I think we're just gonna close it and call it a trade. From this point on, ooh, look at that. We caught this beautiful trade, ladies and gentlemen. We caught it. My god. Okay, so there's it. Ooh, it even went further. And then it retraces. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. So guys, bear in mind, this simulation was able to help me refine my skill in the market. If at all you want to improve into this market, into this forex exchange market, guys, you gotta be willing to execute, practice timeless again and again to hone your craft. And ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna thank me later. You really gonna thank me later. Okay, so let's move on to the next trade. Let's move on to the high time frame. We on pre-London session right now, so price is kind of like on a bearish momentum right here. Okay, on the daily time frame, we go into the H4 time frame, 4-hour chart time frame. We can see price did make support right there. It's a beautiful support. Okay, so maybe if price respects this area of support, there's a likelihood that it might push all the way up from this point on, and then we can place a buy if it breaks above this area of resistance right there. Okay, we can see that we have such an area right there. This is our resistance. Okay, so let's move back on to the H1 time frame. Let's remove the zones and create new ones. New zones. We have a significant area there. That's our support. Price right now is just consolidating. We don't really know the what will be the outcome, but we just have to anticipate if whether it breaks either to the downside or the upside. We have to be willing to take a trade from that point on, because we're in a high liquidity area and a high volume session right now, which is pre-London. Okay, So right now on the 30-minute time frame, we have our support right there. We have leveled out our support, and then let me mark the zone right here. Okay, if it manages to break through this level, then we're most likely to take a sell. But if it continues ranging, then we might be off to a sticky road right here, a muddy road. Okay, so let's see what price does. Let's see what, okay, now price is rejecting that level right there. Okay, right, price did manage to form a lower wick right there. It did wick down and is possibly pushing to the upside, so let's wait. If it breaks above this level, you see this level right here, I'm thinking of taking buys. I think I'm thinking of taking, if it does come back and break its own high again, it's confirmed. It's confirmed. Our confluences met. Now I'm just gonna, we're already up about 9%. I'm just gonna risk about 2%. 2%. I'm gonna place my stop loss below this area of support right here. Accept, and then let's wait. Let's manage our trade and remove the take profit, because you'll never know. You'll never know if price wants to reward you, man. You have to be willing, man, to ride it through. So let's let it play out. Let's let it play. So what you're expecting is for price to break through this level of resistance. So let's watch it evolve. Yes, price, what it's doing is it wicks down to gain liquidity to push to the upside. That's the main purpose of whenever price produces that lower wick. It wants to gain momentum to like push price forward. It's a reference point. Beautiful. All right, we're already in profits right now. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Let's measure out this range. Okay, right. For sure, it has to retest this area of support right there. Has to respect. Okay, let's see. Beautiful. I think now we've caught our trade, 21 pips. I think we call it a day. We close our trade. Basically that's what the strategy entails, guys. You can see we've been profitable from the previous setup right here. You have seen how we manage our trade. You saw the fundamental trailing stops and everything, the dynamic risk, so guys, you have to be willing to practice. You have to be willing to practice so that it gets written down into your DNA. So whenever you see price print, you know exactly what you'll be looking for. You manage your trade properly, and then, man, the future outcomes, man, is just gonna be simple and easy. You're just gonna be profitable because you are that type of trader who manages himself properly. You have an outlined strategy that you follow to the T, so you become profitable into this market, guys. Whenever you risk a lot, guys, the market is gonna skin you a lot. It's gonna skin you alive, guys. You just gotta be willing to risk only 1 to 2% per trade. That's it for me, guys. Ciao. Like I already said earlier, I'm gonna be giving away $50 to the viewer with the best reaction down below the comment box. Make sure to have a Skrill account to be eligible.